What surprised you about the interim visit? Did it feel very different from a core inspection?
The anticipation remained. I think knowing that there was formal support coming from the HMI really helped keep all the staff really grounded. It felt a little bit different in that way, much more of a supportive and coaching atmosphere, and it really helped keep the staff doing what they worked so hard every day to achieve. So from that, it did feel a little bit different to a core inspection, definitely.
What difference did the shorter notice period make?
Having a shorter notice period helped the staff prepare more purposefully. It helped us keep our eye on exactly what we needed to do and what we hoped to show the HMI when they were here. And I think that having that short period just kept that really focused.
How did it feel having the inspection team come in without you having to spend extra time preparing?
This was really received well by staff. They were able to keep their focus on what they do best, teaching and learning. I think for us as senior leaders, it allowed us to prepare the staff, but also keep the school running and keep it really a positive experience for all.
In what ways has the interim visit allowed you to focus on progress since your core inspection?
Having the interim visit allowed us to really sharpen our focus into the progress that we've already made, and it was really great to have all that positive work reinforced by the HMI and actually having that progress pointed out so that staff could really celebrate where they've got to from that core inspection and the progress that they've made towards the recommendations. So for us, that really helped.
What did you find most useful about the feedback that you received as part of the interim visit?
Throughout the day, there was feedback given consistently. For myself, having that HMI alongside me, coaching and noticing things together, having my professional judgments were validated throughout the day, which was fantastic to then have that end of day feedback, which so closely matched the letter at the end that was published, allowed us to really sharpen our focus and move forward straight away from that day. So it was a real good snapshot of what we're doing well, celebrating that staff work, but actually continuing that progress towards those recommendations really quickly and smoothly.
How has the interim visited supported the priorities in your school improvement plan and helped you with the next steps for learners?
I think through having the HMI coach myself and other senior leaders in lieu of that peer inspection training really helped us to continue looking really closely at our school improvement priorities, looking at sharpening our focus of the SIP and making any adjustments, and having that in such a short time frame from the core inspection allowed us to have those professional dialogue with Estyn in what progress going forward would look like. And I think for us, and to celebrate that staff work, was absolutely amazing.
Would you say that the interim visit felt more supportive than stressful? And if so, why?
For myself personally, it definitely felt more supportive at the stage of the career that I am at. It helped me look at my own judgments really carefully, but also to have them validated by a HMI that we were absolutely on the right track with where we're saying best practice was in the school, but also focusing me on looking a little bit more about where those missed opportunities for learning were happening and allowing me to state them openly in a really supportive manner for our staff. So from that point of view, it did feel a lot different and it was much more supportive, especially in my professional development.
What messages would you share with other schools that are about to have interim visits?
Embrace it as a learning opportunity. We're all looking to improve at whatever level we're operating at, and everybody wants to continue their learning journey. By using the expertise that you've got in the room, it absolutely will allow you to ask lots of questions, pick the brains, but also as well celebrate the fact with your staff that they are on the right track. And I think for that is an absolutely fantastic opportunity for growth.
Did the visit give you confidence about how far the school has come? And tell us one thing that you felt positive about.
absolutely did give us confidence that the school has come a very long way in a very short space of time from our initial core inspection. One thing that I really felt positive about was how well the staff and the learners came across, and that positivity from the HMI towards our staff and learners was fantastic, and it really showed the good work that the staff here do every day.
So did you feel like you were really involved in the process? Did the team involve you in as part of the inspection activity and so on? Were you part of the evaluation of evidence and so on?
Absolutely, yeah. From the very second that the meeting started, in the beginning of the day, I was paired up with Jane, our HMI, and we did all the walk-arounds, the learning walks together. And during that time, she coached, she questioned, but she also validated what judgments were being made. So the judgments were being made together, and I felt personally that, especially in my stage of my career, that was incredible professional development for myself. So we were involved at every step of the way. There wasn't any surprises, there wasn't any we're having a quiet meeting. It was absolutely very transparent, and I was involved completely, which was fantastic to see.
Can you give me 3 words to describe what an interim visit is like?
Positive, purposeful and professional.